Hello, and welcome to Consumer Times, your trusted source for consumer awareness and protection. In today's fast-paced digital world, online transactions have become a cornerstone of daily life. However, with this convenience comes the growing risk of cyber fraud. To safeguard consumers, the Indian government and the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI, have introduced significant measures aimed at curbing credit card scams, OTP delays, and unauthorized access to financial data. Before we dive into main subject, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with Consumer Times. Cybersecurity has become a pressing concern, with scammers deploying increasingly sophisticated techniques to exploit consumers. OTP, one-time password, delays, fake messages, and fraudulent credit card transactions are some of the most common ways fraudsters target unsuspecting users. Recognizing these challenges, TRAI has implemented critical reforms to ensure safer digital transactions and restore consumer confidence. Some key issues faced by consumers are credit card frauds. Unauthorized transactions on credit cards have surged, often resulting from phishing attacks, stolen card details, or malicious apps that collect sensitive financial data. OTPs are the backbone of secure transactions. However, delays in receiving OTPs can disrupt legitimate transactions and create vulnerabilities for fraudulent activities. Consumers are often inundated with unsolicited messages and calls claiming to offer lucrative credit card deals or asking for OTPs under false pretenses. Cybercriminals exploit loopholes in systems and weak user awareness to gain access to personal accounts, siphoning funds or stealing identities. Now, government and TRAI's key measures are: TRAI has mandated telecom operators to prioritize OTP messages over other bulk SMS traffic. This ensures faster delivery, especially during high transaction volumes. TRAI has directed telecom operators to deploy AI-based solutions to identify and block spam SMS and calls. These systems filter out suspicious messages that mimic official communication. New regulations for telemarketers: they must now register on TRAI's Distributed Ledger Technology (DLT) platform. This move aims to reduce fraudulent promotional messages and calls. Banks are required to implement robust KYC (Know Your Customer) processes for credit card issuance. This ensures that cards are issued only to genuine users with verified credentials. The government, in collaboration with financial institutions, is conducting awareness programs to educate consumers about phishing scams, fraudulent apps, and secure online practices. Consumers can now block spam calls and report fraudulent numbers using TRAI's DND, Do Not Disturb, and the updated TRAI Spam Reporting app. Banks are using advanced analytics to monitor transactions for unusual activity, automatically flagging and halting suspicious activities. Now, these measures will protect consumers. Instant OTP delivery reduces transaction time and ensures the user remains in control of their financial activities. Blocking fraudulent calls. AI-driven spam detection minimizes distractions and threats posed by malicious callers. Enhanced KYC processes and monitoring systems make it harder for fraudsters to exploit weak security measures, building consumer trust as these measures assure consumers that their financial data is secure, encouraging them to embrace digital transactions confidently. Some steps consumers should take. While the government and TRAI are working tirelessly to curb fraud, consumers must also adopt safe practices. Please never share OTPs or credit card details. Avoid sharing sensitive information, even with someone claiming to be a bank representative. Use TRAI's DND services to block unwanted calls and messages. Please install verified apps only. Download banking and financial apps exclusively from trusted sources like the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. And enable two-factor authentication. For added security, enable two-factor authentication on your bank and e-commerce accounts. Moreover, monitor transactions regularly. Frequently check your credit card and bank statements for unauthorized transactions. As India is rapidly transitioning into a digitally empowered economy, and secure online practices are vital for sustaining this growth. Cyber fraud not only leads to financial losses but also erodes consumer trust. With TRAI and the government stepping up, these measures serve as a critical deterrent to fraudsters, protecting both individual consumers and the broader financial ecosystem. Stay informed, adopt secure habits, and report any suspicious activities to authorities. Remember, awareness is the first step toward prevention. Thank you for watching Consumer Times. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Together, let's build a community of aware and empowered consumers.